types of software: system software and application software. This system software is controls the computer's inner functionality and also controls the hardware devices like printers. And we can say this system software is like interface between user applications and hardware devices. The types of system software are operating system, language processing and device driver, whereas application system are customized software and general purpose. And then how to crack a software job. First, for this we have to complete our degree with best percentage. It's not enough with that best percentage. Also we have good communication skills and we have to speak English with fluently and confident. And then we have at least knowledge on computer languages, like we are having C, C++, Java, Python, like that. Among all, right now JavaScript is most popular language because it is a scripting language and it is used for developing a web pages. And the paths we have right now are front-end developer, back-end developer, like that. We have to know and we have to learn that right now most popular language what, and we have to prepare for that. And then we have to create our resume with clean and clear information, and then we have to apply for our.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Lakshmi Narayan from ICS family. Today I am going to give some overview about what I have done on my project, competitive exams based on the GK syllabus of GK. Basically, first of all, knowing what is my project, I am going to give some data what is competitive exam. Competitive exam, the main objective of the competitive exam is selecting a worthy candidate to fit for the position. Basically, competitive exams are conducted for the entrance exams or admission purpose of universities. Competitive exams are conducted in always or offline. Mostly the competitive exams are conducted for yearly. The basic syllabus of the competitive exams initially we have reasoning, and then the verbal and the English communication, and then the computer knowledge and the general knowledge. So my project on the competitive exam based on the syllabus of GK. GK is general knowledge. Absolute general knowledge. It means knowledge about different things. It may be related to history or anything which is happening in the society or history. Basically, general knowledge is two types: static GK and the current affairs GK. Static GK means the facts which cannot be changed in future. Example like history. Static GK based on the time mentioned facts. Example, if you consider the census of.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Deepthi. I am from final year PCE. Today I am here about project similar. I want to give you an idea about that. And my project name is how to crack software job. First of all, what is software? Software is a set of data or a program used to operate computer and execute specific tasks. Basically, software contains two types: system software and application software. System software is basically controls the computer internal functionality and also controls the computer hardware devices like printer, monitor, storage devices, etc. And the subtypes of system software is operating system, language processor, device driver. And the examples of system software is Linux, Windows, interpreter, compiler, etc. The next one is application software. It is used to perform it consists of a special function and it is used to perform a specific task. Basically, these are divided into three types. And first one is general purpose software, customized software, and utility software. And the examples of it, MS Word, Photoshop, etc. And next one is software job. First of all, you check out the notification.
I am Nagesh Shetty from Modi. Today, my project is on study on MNC company recruitment. At first, MNC means multinational company. In this, there are many companies such as TCS, Wipro, Cognizant, Capgemini, etc. I will tell about the recruitment process which is in TCS. At first, the TCS officers will, and then they will release one notification for all those vacancies, and then the candidates will apply for those vacancies, and then they will in this recruitment there will be four steps. One is screening, written test, technical round, and HR round. At first, screening. Screening means they will screen all the resumes which they have got from the candidates. That means they will filter some resumes from those.
Myself is Vera. Today I am here to demonstrate a social relevant project on how to crack software job and what are the tasks. First of all, what is a software job? Software job is an applying engineering skills and knowledge on programming languages to the software solutions for users. And what is software? Software is in computer system. Software is basically a set of instructions and commands that tells what computer. And there are two types of software. One system software and second one is application software. Then here too came recruitment process for a software job. First of all, step 1 is written test. In the written test, we have to have aptitude, reasoning and grammar. Then after step 2, GD, group discussions. Then step 3, technical round. In the technical round, we have to write an efficient code and test our code in different programming languages like C, C++, Java, Python and JavaScript. Then after HR round, these are the steps for recruitment process for a software job.
Good morning, myself Topalti. Today I am here to share my college seminar topic about how to crack software job. The current scenario of software job is very complex. Why? Because less hirings and high competition. That's why we put more efforts to learn something daily. The process of software jobs containing 4 rounds. Round 1, written test. Round 2, group discussion. Round 3, technical round. Round 4, interview, HR interview. The round 1 containing ambiguous reasoning and verbal English. Round 2, group discussion. They give a topic, we will discuss the topic. Round 3, technical interview. We learn at least one programming language freely. And round 4, HR interview.
Good morning everyone, I am Karna from PyTCD. Today's our social relevant project is competitive exams world. Competitive exams are conducted at test. Competitive exams are conducted ranking the students according to their particular grades and percentages. These exams are conducted by the state or central level. Exams fields like engineering, medicine, banking sector, etc. According to their historical records, Henry Pistol was conducted first exam in India in late 1800s. List of competitive exams. SBI PO, State Bank of India, Post of Property Officers. The recruitment process is going on 3 stages. One is prelims, mains and interview round. IBPS, Institute of Bank Personnel Selection Special.
types of companies. In this, we had 3 types of companies like government company, private company, and public company. In government company, we had two types of states, central government and state government. We had state authorities, coal authorities are there. Incomes are come from the government. Private companies like IKEA, done by these are prepared by the shareholders.
First నుంచి
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. Today, my second topic is a social relevant project of how to crack a software key. In this, everyone to gain minimum software. Everyone. First step. There are 5 steps. First step, SDLC, Software Development Life Cycle. So SDLC are phases also. First phase, for example, planning, coding, testing, deploy, release, operate. And SDLC are models also, waterfall model, V model, spiral model. And second step, programming language. To learn at least one programming language, C, C++, JavaScript, Java or Python. And streams of software job. In another streams of software job to get. Step quant and reasoning. Written test. Written test. Reasoning. Verbal ability. Software.
Good morning everyone, myself Srivani from Pioneer Engineering. Today my project seminar is a study of competitive exams. Competitive exams conducted by evaluate a person to improve knowledge and ability. A competitive exams conducted particular course to decide a particular course. After completing these exams are conducted. Needs of competitive exams. Competitive exams conducted by
Good afternoon to everyone. I am Kaveri from Pioneer Engineering. Today my seminar topic is a study on competitive exams. Competitive examination is examination ranked candidate according to the rank and their percentages and grades. Every student's parents dream is their children to get government job because of job security and respect in society. Students are not interested in government jobs, or students are interested in government jobs, but everyone to get the government job needs self-motivated and every needs self-motivated. Needs self-motivated and everyone to get the government job to use the correct time and hard work and time maintenance is the most important. And in competitive exams in our India conduct the UPSC Indian Public Service Commission conduct the civil service exams under the
myself, Manjula, and I'm from Pioneer Engineering College in Manjula. Today I am about a project center is a study of competitive exam It's a competitive examination. It's a kind of knowledge to improve knowledge, some rules and regulations. Why there is a need to conduct competitive exams? Lots of features to competitive exams. No rules are there. Number of seats and admissions are there. Many number of students are competitive for eligibility criteria for appearing in competitive exams. Minimum age, minimum qualifying marks, university.
This is my Lakshmi from Pioneer Today my seminar topic is my online project. My project name is competitive exams in India. Competitive exams are conducted to selecting and evaluating persons to selecting for the job. In competitive exams there are two reasons to conduct that. First one is for entrance exams and job purpose. Entrance exams are graduation required examinations and graduate management administration examination and common entrance examination and national and state eligibility entrance examinations are conducted to select to enter the universities or colleges or schools to educating and reach their goals. And job purpose, there are several jobs are considering for India. The jobs are there are several jobs. These job selection processes and UPSC and staff selection commission and state public service commission and banking sector. In banking
Good afternoon everyone, myself Sena, I am from Pioneer City and today's my seminar topic how to crack a software job and what are the steps. And steps software job ki velalante four rounds untayi. First one written test and second one technical and third one group discussion, fourth one HR round. First of all written test ki aptitude, reasoning and coding ఇవి నేర్చుకున్నామండి. అండ్ సెకండ్ రౌండ్కి టెక్నికల్కి కోడింగ్ డెప్త్గా ఉంటుంది. థర్డ్ రౌండ్ గ్రూప్ డిస్కషన్కి కమ్యూనికేషన్ స్కిల్స్ ఉండాలి అండ్ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ లెవెల్స్ ఉండాలి. ఫోర్త్ వన్ హెచ్ఆర్ వాళ్ళు మన రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్ అంటున్నారు అండ్ వాళ్ళ రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్ మనకు చెప్తారు.
Myself Gayatri from Pioneer City. Today my project topic is study of competitive exams. Competitive exams are type of examination conducted in section and rank students according to their grades and percentages. These are mostly conducted in state and central level.
My seminar topic is competitive exams of GK. The competitive exams are one type of examination for rank students. That is according to ranks and percentages. The examinations conducted at level of the states and central levels. Competitive exams are conducted, etc. The competitive exams have to select for the students for the various jobs. A candidate have age of 20, minimum 21 and maximum age of 30. Syllabus of the competitive exams. First, static, GK, daily news, history, biography, and politics, bank awareness, and
Good afternoon, Madam. Myself Lakshmi. Now I am here to share my thought on how to crack the software jobs. First of all, what is software? Software is nothing but a set of commands. Before applying for a software job, we have to build a strong resume according to our knowledge. We have to get a strong knowledge on one of the programming languages like Java, C, C++, so on so. With better knowledge on the interview process, we have to attend for a mock interviews. Update our resumes according to company's requirements.
Today my seminar topic is different types of companies in India. Different types of companies, three parts: government company, private company, public company. Private company, government company at least 51% say central government or state government.
Today my seminar topic is Indian banking system. What is meant by bank? Banking system, need of banks, and main Bank of India needs functions for bank. What is meant by bank? Bank is a financial institution that provides accepting the loans and deposits. More secure in the saving deposits. And pending limits. The EPI is RBI. RBI means Reserve Bank of India. The evaluation in 1st April 1934. Private sector, foreign sector, and regional road.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today I will explain about the recruitment and selection process in MNC companies. First of all, recruitment is the process of searching the representative employees according to their skills, which looks for the organization growth and need of recruitment. Need for recruitment. There are some requirements and transfer promotions like getting college or some personal availabilities, and also for the expansion of organizations. In recruitment process, there are 5 interrelated steps or stages.
student establish according to their percentage or percentage. The age limit of after exam minimum 21 years eligibility. The minimum of general students in Karnataka. Reserve student minimum 40%. 45% minimum. The reserve students are 40%. There is one important exam to the no age limit here. Affects the GK, the static GK level changes at that time. The governors, chief ministers, places and public names is never changed.
Today, my seminar topic is a study of non-paper board exams. Internship and sir, contact to the person to evaluate. Test. The exams may be particular all ages for ages right.
Myself, today my project topic is competitive exams. Mostly, what is competitive exams? Competitive exams is type of ranking and dedicated entrance exams are also this part of competitive exams. Types of competitive exams like MCET.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Vinay. Today I am here to explain about my social relevant project about different types of companies. And there were MNC companies. There were many different types of MNC companies such as TCS, Wipro, Capgemini, Cognizant, Accenture, IBM. Today I will explain about recruitment process in IBM. In IBM, they will provide a notification when we apply for job in that company, and then group discussion. If we qualify the candidates, they will have a technical interview, and then group discussion, final HR round.